Gold for this one, again, we've got this drop, corrective structure expanding flat, and then drop. After this drop, this was a buy. We took this buy setup. And then after that, from here, we were waiting for market to give us a complete structure. And every single wave is tradable, by the way, okay? This was a complete structure before market starting to move up from here, okay? And after this up wave, corrective structure, I'll explain you what's next. But before we explain what's next, let's go back to this part. Why this part? Because this was Wednesday session. Wednesday session is a session that we give for weighted waivers on every Wednesday as an update. And I'll show you how we covered this one, how T was covering gold from here, from exactly this point. Let me show you the forecast and I'll get back to the chart.
So again, push to the upside here, again, most likely tapping 30 in that same zone here. From that, we can expect one more drop here before it goes back up. So this would be a perfect structure for us to start buying here.
Guys, again, another chart, another forecast, another crazy prediction. I'll go to the 1 hour now. I'll hide the drawings just to show you the details, okay? So from here, this was Wednesday session, by the way. As you can see, this one here, you can see the date under. So from Wednesday session, we said market will push to the upside to this zone, break down, break this low to this zone before we start to go for the next up wave. So up, drop, up, another 3 waves in advance. And again, this is only at weighted waves. You cannot get this anywhere else but at weighted waves. And this is the complete structure we're talking about, okay? Now, after this up wave, market is correcting and we've got this up move, drop, up, corrective structure. In all the cases, regardless what the market is doing, the next setup for gold is towards the upside or the next move. Now, Alan, can we be wrong here? Yes, of course, we can be wrong. That's why you should always follow weighted waves for golden rules. Do not jump in, do not trade without stop loss, never ever add losing position, and do not over risk or over trade. Do not forget, guys, these 4 golden rules, all right? So in all the cases, regarding our bias, we are biased to the upside for gold, okay? Now back to the 4 hour chart. Let me go for the drawings again. And this is what I can say. This to be the complete structure and market is correcting now for the next up wave. Can the structure change 100%? That's why you need to follow us on a weekly basis, and all of you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update in case the structure will change and want to update you regarding that, okay? Before I jump to the next pair, which is Aussie dollar, let me show you the trades of the week and the trades of the month of January that were given for weighted waivers during the Sunday sessions. Let's go to this tab. This, by the way, is the dashboard for weighted waivers. So if you join the membership, you will get access to this dashboard. For this one, you see this is trades of the week. I'll start with this one, eurocad, okay? So for this one, we said market will push to the upside. Now, regarding this one, we're updating during the Wednesday and even during the daily session. The daily sessions, guys, are these sessions here given for weighted waivers again. And inside this session, which was on Tuesday, we have covered the update for this trade of the week as well. How is that, Alan? I'll show you this one here. So this was the Tuesday session, all right, given by one of our seniors regarding eurocad. So market started to push up. If you made money here, perfect. With this wave alone, you can make more than 3% or 3 to 1, whatever. Market started to fall. This drop didn't change the structure. That's why the daily sessions are very, very important. You can get the updates, guys, okay? So for this one, we've got this drop, this corrective structure, this drop. All weighted waivers, they know this structure. They know this wave. It's a textbook pattern and why they should go for the buy from exact this level, okay? Because the structure is completed and we're expecting market to push up and break these 2 tops. Why? We're having liquidity here, okay? If I go now to the charts, just I'm going step by step with you. Look at this. So we've got this drop, we've got this up wave. You can trade this one using weighted wave special strategies, okay? If you execute a strategy here, which is strategy 3, you can make here more than 3 to 1 in one single trade, in one single move. Now, after this fall, if you are not subscribing to the WTW membership, you will be actually worried. You will be like, oh my God, this is falling. What should I do now? Okay, so after this drop, we knew that market will push back up and I showed you the proof. So for now, you have euro dollar, 4 ways in advance. You have gold, right? And you have eurocad, the details of every single wave, how we are reading the charts and how we are trading the charts, wave by wave and to the pip, to the point. And you can see the high accuracy, guys. Again and again, this is only at WeTrade Waves. You cannot get this anywhere else but at WeTrade Waves. Okay? So, the next trade was Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen, we said market will correct for another push up. We've got this corrective structure, and if you trade this wave alone till here, you'll be able to make 3 to 1 if you know how to trade correctly. Let's go to Aussie Yen. Corrective structure, and up again. If you trade this up wave using our strategies, you'll be able to make more than 3 to 1 in one single trade. Okay? Not only that, let's go back to this chart here, to this tab, and I'll scroll down to the trades of the month of January. Okay? This was shared on January 3rd. So, New Zealand dollar, market have hit the target. If you go to the charts, you will see it. And pound Oz as well, market have hit the target to the upside. And you can see that market is here at the moment for pound Oz. Let me show you pound Oz quickly. This is pound Oz, and market moved to the upside. So guys, euro dollar move, gold move, okay? All these waves, euro CAD, Aussie Yen, New Zealand dollar, pound Oz, all these waves, along with all the trades that were shared during the Sunday session, Wednesday update, the daily sessions, you should have made a lot of money trading only the first month of 2024, which is January. And again, if you want to waste February, it's up to you. So don't waste more time and money. Join us and start learning how to trade correctly and make money.